Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to invite friends in Webtoon. So guys, if you're planning on inviting friends to Webtoon, but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So I have a quicker method at hand. Just go ahead and open Webtoon first. Once you tap on Webtoon, you would be led to this page right here. Once you're here, just look at the lower bar where you can see options like For You, Originals, Canvas, My, and more. Tap on More. And now, options like Search, Settings, Fan Translation, Invite Friends will pop up. You just need to tap on Invite Friends since we're trying to invite friends. Now you can see a referral code. Just copy this code and you can just tap on Share Referral Code too, and in this way, you would be able to invite your friends to Webtoon. Guys, there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you invite friends to Webtoon. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.